Hi traders, good to see you again and welcome back to the weekly market recap. The German economic recovery is likely to accelerate in the third quarter of 2021 if the coronavirus infections do not create any significant setbacks. For now, the car manufacturing industry has been struggling as supply shortages have resulted in significant losses of turnover and massive delays. The spot was last seen trading at the 1.1783 region, down 0.11% on a daily basis. For the oil market on Monday, WTI oil stumbled as much as 7.5% before recovering grounds and ended its day at $66.42, still down 5% on a day. At the time of recording, the US oil modestly trades at $66.30 per barrel. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to this channel. Trade safe and stay safe.